Welcome to the Hitoki Trident V3 cleaning tutorial. Begin by removing the top laser housing and the loading chamber. Remove the glass bottom by gripping the chamber housing and pulling at an angle. This will release it from the magnetic hold. Dump your water and fill the glass bottom with iso alcohol. Fill it about halfway, then reattach the chamber housing to the glass by hovering over it and allowing the magnets to do the rest. Using the Hitoki cleaning kit will make the process easier and more efficient. Secure the chamber like you would normally. Using the tool included in your kit, insert the tip of the tool into your loading chamber. Then, using the tool's suction, pull up the alcohol and then push the alcohol back down. There may be some resistance. Don't worry, this is normal. Do this a few times to release any debris in your chamber housing and the stem. You will notice the water get dirtier as it cleans your unit. Dump the dirty iso alcohol and rinse your glass bottom thoroughly. Run your chamber housing through high-pressure water to rinse out any leftover residue. If you detach the silicone ring from the glass bottom, simply lay it on the glass top, line it up, and use both hands to secure the ring. Using both hands helps hold the glass secure while maneuvering the task at hand. Use your fingers to guide the ring back in place. Once it's secure, you are ready for fresh, clean water. Pour water up to the marked fill line located on the side of the glass bottom. Just like before, use the magnetic system to attach the chamber housing to the glass bottom. You are ready for a new, freshly packed loading chamber. Cleaning your Trident has never been easier. Thank you for being part of the Hitoki family. Check our site for updates and announcements. Enjoy that laser session.